We have here first your Galaxy Pegasus W103R squared F. Yeah, and this is the manipulator or the owner is Jinga, as I know. This is from the Metal Fusion, and yeah, it's from the Rapidity. Okay, so let's go. Let's unbox, and this very fast unboxing. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, unbox. Yeah, finish. That's how fast you can unbox a Beyblade in the past. Because yeah, they're just going like that. And let's go with the blade itself already. Yeah, wow, it's so nice, man. If this is an original one, I really like it. But it's fake, but still, it's a metal. Yeah, still metal, but very not so good metal. Okay, yeah, black and gold. Nice combination. Okay, and then we have here its lower parts. Yeah, how to open it. And we have some stickers, but yeah, it's fake, man. I don't like to put in stickers. Okay, there's so many options here. This is your what you call that? You can use it to lock all of the things that you want to lock in this Beyblade. Yeah, I want to use this one, and the other, I think I want to have the ball one. Yeah, this one right here. Okay. Yeah, because if you use this, it's very unnatural, the metal part. Yeah, so let's have this one. Let's try to make it. Yeah, and then use this to lock. It's like a screw, and then use this thing or this tool to lock it. Okay, right, that's it. Okay, and yeah, I lock it, and it's nice. Ooh, what? Okay, it's just like this same part model here. So yeah, it will just go with the blade itself. Let's go. So in order to know this blade's function, let's go and let's have our stadium. Let's go. Let's have our stadium to have the battle spin test and test battles. Let's go. Okay, so we have now the stadium, and yeah, this is from the last fight. Yeah, so we have some red paints there because it chips. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go. Let's have a spin test first. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. It's nice, man. The color is very nice, black and gold. It's a very nice combination. But yeah, we need to have a fight in here. Let's have some battle, test battle. So let's have